OD, 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 OD.
There's a painting in Paris, yeah, it's one of the best. Saw a woman beside it, taking a selfie instead. We all got personal problems, cause we're personal people. Taking pictures on purpose to paint the perfect appearance. When the people start talking and the rumors start running, I think I got something to say, and it feels great.
Give it what you got right now, and take your best shot right now. Everybody's watching, everybody's talking. Give it what you got right now, and take your best shot right now. Everybody's watching, everybody's talking.
So rare to see smiles without vanity. Every day I make mistakes, but I'm glad to see I cannot cover them up Instagrammically. The clicks start coming and they don't stop coming, and the people got something to say, and it feels great.
Give it what you got right now, and take your best shot right now. Everybody's watching, everybody's talking. Give it what you got right now, and take your best shot right now. Everybody's watching, everybody's talking.
Money. Paris, yeah, it's one of the best.